Қайырлы күн, мен нөмір 1 Алматы қазақ мемлекеттік педагогтық колледжінің шет тілдер және оқыту әдістемесі ПЦК оқытушысы Алимбекова Н.Н қызы. Бүгінгі біздің өтетін тақырыбымыз Scientific and Technological Progress. Let's begin our new lesson sim. During our this lesson, to study new words connected with scientific and technological progress, practice the talking about the radio, TV, and the internet service. To develop students' speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills. To develop creativity, imagination, cognitive interest, the ability to analyze and express their opinion, the ability to engage in dialogue, to bring up the interest to the new technology. Scientific. Scientific based on or characterized by the methods and the principles of science. Scientific progress is the idea that science increases its problem-solving ability through the application of the scientific methods, and the technological progress refers to the discovery of new and improved methods and the producing good. Brainstorm the vocabulary connected with the following subtopic. This is science, technology, invention, technological progress, everyday usage of modern technology, pitfalls of using modern technology in life. This is more information about science, technology, automation, mechanization, and the hibernation. Technology and the transformation of society, information and the communication technology and the internet. Social networking and the blogging. Social network sites, Facebook, Twitter, blogs comprise sector of the internet called membership communities. Membership communities have changed in the recent year in three substantively significant ways. This is first, a number of people who visit membership communities has increased. In 2010, Facebook topped 500 million members around the world. Second, amount of members spent in the membership community set the ground dramatically. And then finally, who join membership communities is changing. Let's start work with vocabulary. Listen how to read these words. Access, қолжетімділік, affect, әсер ету, breakthrough, ғылыми жетістік, calculation, есептеу, common good, жалпы игілік, corrupt, дақылдар, crucial, шешуші, ең маңызды, database, мәліметтер базасы, development, даму, to develop, дамыту, to enforce, орындау, to face, бетпе-бет, genetic, генетикалық, global, ғалымдық, дүниежүзілік, harm, зиян келтіру, humanity, адамзат, to lead, бір нәрсеге жетелеу. One of the most high internet is internet. What we can do in the internet? Of course, watch film, study, share picture, chat with friends, check the news, do yoga, listen to music, do shopping, find information, play music. The global context. 44% of all internet users live in Asia. That translates to nearly 1 billion people, nearly half of whom live in China. The sheer number of people online in China is a function of China's population. However, China's penetration rate is only 35% compared to, for example, Japan that has 78% its population online. Read this information about scientific and what do you think about it, your opinion? The world was made a smaller place by Pony Express the late 1800s. Today, the iPhone combined the number and technological feats makes a world even smaller. Robots. Robots long just the lead characters in movies, video games, and comic books. Pictures here, a robot greets visitor to international airport. Robots also used at the airport as posters to carry heavy luggage. Read this information about robots and what do you think about it? Technology and the transformation, society, technology, workplace, about automation, genetically engineered food, biotechnology, and the government policy. This is information about Luis Gonzalez answers. Watch this video and tell me your opinion.
Technology is the ubiquitous sign of human imagination, with its ability to aid and inspire. From the point where you rise, it keeps you seamlessly wired and ready to take on your day. However you travel, it is now an extension of whatever you choose to give your attention to. Whether it's continuing that ebook you were reading, or getting a head start on your work. Check up on your home, or zone out to your online series. Never miss a beat. Whatever your work requires, there is always a need for synchronicity between all your platforms in the search for success. Just like finding harmony, cross-platform synchronization between all your different peers and devices allow for greater satisfaction in a world without borders or limits to your imagination. Helping you empower and secure not only your physical valuables, but securing your digital assets, whether it's on your hardware or in the cloud, as well as for your company network or personal use. Have peace of mind with our guarantee. As you unwind at the end of your day, seeking out your passions, indulging in the latest games and hobbies, in the virtual world or otherwise. Keep it all connected, seamlessly. Keep life simple. Keep it smooth. Ingram Micro.
Okay, students, what do you think about this video? Okay, great. Exercise 1. Scientific and technological progress. Read the text and give the correct answer. Let's begin our game time. Now look at the presentation and answer some questions. Compare and contrast the means of travel in the past and today. How will the means of travel changes in the future? What kind of fuel will be used? Why are these inventions and the discoveries in medicine important for mankind? Name the invention in these pictures. What impact did they have on mankind? Which gadgets and inventions from the picture do you use every day? What do you use them for? Which of them can't you imagine your life without? Explain. Look at the pictures below and suggest modern classroom for teaching language. Explain the importance each of the gadgets, their way will be used. How will science and technology change the life of people in this future? The pictures below can help you. Match the negative aspects of using technology in everyday life with invention shown in the picture. Name some other threats in using modern technologies. Let's do the crossword. Horizontally, free internet. With the help of the thing you can call anyone. What is English of progress? Drawing air service. What is English of technology? Games. And vertically, what is English of nauka? Person that works in science. Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Paint are the. This is correct answer. Connect the correct answers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Read. Conclusion of the lesson. Reflection. 5 fingers. I completely understand. I mostly understand. I understand pretty well. I could use more practice. I need help. I don't understand at all. It is high time for us to draw the line of our lesson and write what you have done at this lesson and what you learned to do. At this lesson we learned мен нені үйрендім. Now I can, мен қазір жасай аламын, немесе ажырата аламын. I want to know more about, мен тағы мынандай мәліметтерді білгім келеді. So your marks for today is excellent, good, and satisfactory. Your homework for the next lesson is learning new words. Write 5 predictions about other technological development in the future. Read them to group. Exercise 1, page 67. Work with text, scientific and technological progress, and answer the questions. Okay, students, the lesson is over. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye, students.